Welcome, friend, to the total body workout number 3. Let's warm up together and begin with a jog in place. Use the jog in place to begin to raise your rate of perceived exertion to about a 4 out of 10. You could also march in place if the jogging is too much impact. Keep it going, 30 seconds. Great job. Let's move on to a body weight squat. Widen your stance a little bit, wider than your hips. Send your seat back, let your arms float up. Keep your chest proud, your chin up, and push your feet into the floor as you rise up out of your squat. Take these easy, don't worry about the depth, we're just warming up. Time's up. Let's do some jumping jacks. So if you're going to take these high impact, like the big part of our screen, just make sure you're landing softly on the balls of your feet and your arms are strong. If you're going to take the low impact version, you're tapping out side to side and just raise your arms to shoulder height. That'll keep your heart rate from rising too high. 30 seconds. We're almost through these. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, you can relax your jumping jack. We're gonna do some windmills. Set your stance wide, knees, toes, and hips forward. Soft bend in your knees, hinge from your hips, and reach your arm towards the outside of the opposite leg. Don't worry about how far you lower down. These are a great way to heat up the back side of your body and your thoracic spine. 30 seconds are done. Let's narrow our stance so our feet are under our hips. Then you're gonna squeeze your arms in front of your body, crisscrossing the arms, and then squeeze your shoulder blades to pull your arms back. We're alternating the crisscross of the arms in front. Make this strong and active and focused. Squeeze in front, squeeze in back. This is a great part of the warm-up to heat your shoulder joints. Magnificent. Let's come down to our mat and set up for a high plank. Begin in tabletop with your arms straight, fingers spread wide, and then we're gonna step 1 foot back at a time and lock it out. In that high plank, you're strong. Shoulders are plugged in. Keep that chin tucked slightly so that your head doesn't drop forward. Keep your belly button drawn towards your spine, and don't you know it, squeeze those glutes. Stay strong in your high plank. Keep the breath flowing in and out. You're almost through this first exercise. All right, let's touch the knees down and come on up to your feet for some alternating reverse lunges. Start with your feet together. Relax your shoulders. We're gonna step 1 leg back at a time, bending both legs. You can alternate your arm pump if you'd like to. So we're taking a big step back and bending both legs. Every time you return to standing, make sure you're pressing that front foot into the ground. Keep the shoulders over your hips. As an alternative for your arms, you could also keep your hands on your waist to just try to keep your chin up. I know you're gonna look down at your feet from time to time, but try to keep those shoulders rolled back and your gaze forward. Whew, those 30 seconds went fast. Let's do a renegade row. Meet me back down on the mat. With a dumbbell in each hand, begin in tabletop, and then we're gonna step 1 foot back at a time. Shoulders are strong. You're gonna row 1 weight at a time, alternating sides, up to the ceiling. Then you're gonna hop the feet out wide for a single plank jack. Remember, when we're rowing, you're drawing the elbow towards the ceiling and slightly towards your hip. Keep your body straight. Try not to let the hips rise or drop. Take these at your own pace. If you're doing this with a water bottle, you could simply place 1 hand on the ground and row the opposite arm with the water bottle, then switch. 30 seconds of those are tough. Well done. Let's move on to a single leg squat. You'll need a chair for these. Let's begin by rooting our left foot into the ground and lifting our right heel off the ground. Then you're gonna sit down in your chair just briefly and lightly, and then push through the left foot to rise back up. Your arms can float forward and drop down. You could also, if you're more comfortable, keep the arms down and close to the chair. If you need a little support, you can drop your heel down towards the floor and leave it there to assist you rising up. 30 seconds are almost done. This is a great challenge for your glutes. Okay, let's reset with both feet on the floor for a breath. And then root your right foot into the ground. Lift your left heel up. Sit back into the chair. Touch it briefly with your back side and press all the way back up. Your choice on your arms. If this exercise gets a little shaky or you lose your balance from time to time like I just did, don't worry about it. Reset or keep your hands down close to the chair or keep your heel on the floor if you need to. Make this work for your body today. Yahoo! Those are hard. You did it. Let's move on to a plie squat with an upright row. Great multi-joint combination. Grab your dumbbells, set your feet wide, toes turned out, roll your shoulders back, zip your core up. We're gonna lower down into our plie squat with our knees tracking over our toes, and as we push up through our feet, we're gonna lift those elbows high. Remember, your wrists are always under your elbows on this one, and the space between the tops of your shoulders and your ears is not changing as your arms rise. All right, this is a great little heart pumper since we've got arms and legs going. Lower down, push through your feet to rise up. Breathing deep. Maybe you inhale down, exhale up. Keep smiling, keep working. 30 seconds of these is done. My friend, I'm so proud of you that we get to do it again. Meet me down on the mat for a high plank. Ready, set, go. 30 seconds. You're locked in, you're strong, you're breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, bend your knees, come down. You did it. Up on your feet, alternating reverse lunges. Here we come. Stand tall, stand proud. Let's get to work. Stepping back, both knees bending, knees, toes, and hips stay pointing forward. Keep the breath moving. Legs are strong. Maybe you'll find a little more depth this time on your alternating reverse lunges. You're already halfway through these. Five seconds to finish. And we did it. Awesome job. Renegade rows with the plank jack. Who loves these? They're up next. Meet me on the ground with your dumbbells. Setting up from your tabletop. Shoulders over your wrists. You're strong. You believe in yourself. One leg at a time. Extend it back. Give me one pull. Other side, pull. Hop the feet out. Back in. Recenter. Pull. Pull. Plank jack. You're strong enough for these. Three, 2, 1. Awesome, you did it. A second round is complete. Let's come up, grab your chair, single leg squats. Here we go. You can start on either side. Timer's running. We've got 30 seconds to focus on this leg. You are building mega strength in the back side of your legs right now. Plus, you're improving your balance on this single leg exercise. Let's finish off this leg. Reset, ground yourself in the middle, take a deep breath, and get ready to do the other side. Maybe roll your shoulders back. All right, let's do this. 30 seconds. I believe in the power of that booty. Keep working. Finish as many as you can. Last 3, 2, and 1. You made it through the time. All right, fantastic job. Last exercise in our second set, plie squat with your upright row. Get your dumbbells ready. Remember, we set the feet wide, turn the toes out to your point of comfort. Keep the shoulders stacked over the hips. Palms are facing your body. Core is tight. Lower down. Pull those weights out of the ground as you rise up, keeping your wrists beneath your shoulders. Allow yourself to be just as strong as you lower down as you are when you rise up. Control it down, push and pull it up. Finished your 30 seconds. Excellent job. We've got one more round. This time through, I'm going to let you focus and just tell you when the timer's up. All right, 30 seconds. You're in it. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Touch the knees down. Come on up to standing. Alternating reverse lunges. Get yourself set up. Big smile. Ready, set, go. 30 seconds. Your legs are amazing. Last 3, 2, and 1. You did it. All right, moving on. Renegade rows with a plank jack. Final round. You got this. Rise up into your plank. Timer begins now. 30 seconds. Right now is the time to believe in yourself. You've got all the strength you need. Everything you need is within you. Keep moving. Work the back, work the core. Time's up. How do you feel? Ready to do some single leg squats? I hope so, because we're back at these. Stand up tall. Timer's on now. Last 3, 2, 1. Ground both feet into the earth. Take a second to reset. It's a challenging minute total of exercise. Let's switch sides and complete 30 seconds. Other leg. Time's up. You did it. I'm so proud of you. Let's finish this workout with our plie squat with the upright row. Set up your stance, grab your dumbbells, take a deep breath. 30 seconds begins now. This is our last exercise of the workout. Stay strong, stay lifted, stay tall. You've got this all the way till the end. Follow it through. Oh yeah, we made it. All right, let's cool it down. We're gonna come all the way down to the ground into a tabletop position and work our way through some cat-cows. So arch your back towards the ceiling as you let your head drop. Take a big inhale, roll the shoulders back, lift the chin and the tailbone. Let's repeat that. Exhale, round the back towards the ceiling. Inhale, lift the chin, lift the tailbone. One more time. Exhale, arch. Maybe you turn your head side to side as if you were saying no. Big inhale. All right, let's take the knees out wide and slide the hips back into a child's pose. Adjust your clothes if you need to. Relax the arms, relax the hips. Let's walk our hands off to the right side, allowing a stretch to run through your side body. Keep breathing deep. Let's walk the hands off to the left side, settling back in, relaxing, lengthening the side body, breathing deep. Return to center. Take one more breath in child's pose. Enjoy it. You worked really hard. Then use your arms to rise up. From tabletop, transition to a face down position. Bend your right arm, rest your forehead on your hand, reach your left arm back for your left foot. Take a few deep breaths while your quads lengthen. Switch sides when you're ready. When you're ready to come up, let's roll onto our back and hug the knees into the chest. Spend some time here allowing your back to release. Maybe you take your knees around in some circles each directions. Maybe you rock a little bit side to side. Just enjoy it and keep that breath moving slow and deep. You're all set. Fantastic job on the workout. You did awesome. I hope you enjoyed it. Come back next time. Subscribe if you'd like to get the new videos first. Thank you.